In a key sentence in my remarks, I said the word would instead of wouldn't. I actually went out and reviewed a clip of an answer that I gave, and I realized that there is a need for some clarification. I have President Putin. He just said it's not Russia. I will say this, I don't see any reason why it would be. The sentence should have been, I don't see any reason why I wouldn't, or why it wouldn't be Russia. So, just to repeat it, I said the word would instead of wouldn't. And the sentence should have been, and I thought it would be maybe a little bit unclear on the transcript or unclear on the actual video. The sentence should have been, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be Russia. Sort of a double negative. So you can put that in, and I think that probably clarifies things pretty good by itself. Could be other people also. There's a lot of people out there.